Hello and welcome to our video on Bloodless Revolution. This is one of the most important chapter in our history. Glorious Revolution, also called Revolution of 1688 or Bloodless Revolution, in English history. The events of 1688–89 that resulted in the deposition of James II and the accession of his daughter Mary II and her husband, William III, Prince of Orange and Stadtholder of the United Provinces of the Netherlands. After the accession of James II in 1685, his overt Roman Catholicism alienated the majority of the population. In 1687 he issued a declaration of indulgence, suspending the penal laws against nonconformists and recusants, and in April 1688 ordered that a second declaration of indulgence be read from every pulpit on 2 successive Sundays. William Sancroft, the Archbishop of Canterbury, and 6 other bishops petitioned him against this and were prosecuted for seditious libel. Their acquittal almost coincided with the birth of a son to James's Roman Catholic queen, Mary of Modena, June. This event promised an indefinite continuance of his policy and brought discontent to a head. 7 eminent Englishmen, including 1 bishop and 6 prominent politicians of both Whig and Tory persuasions, wrote to William of Orange, inviting him to come over with an army to redress the nation's grievances. William was both James's nephew and his son-in-law, and, until the birth of James's son, William's wife, Mary, was heir apparent. William's chief concern was to check the overgrowth of French power in Europe. Between 1679 and 1684, England's impotence and the Emperor Leopold I's preoccupation with a Turkish advance to Vienna had allowed Louis XIV to seize Luxembourg, Strasbourg, Casale Monferrato, and other places vital to the defense of the Spanish Netherlands, the German Rhineland, and northern Italy. By 1688, however, a great European coalition had begun to form to call for a halt to aggressions. Its prospects depended partly upon England. Thus, having been in close touch with the leading English malcontents for more than a year, William accepted their invitation. Landing at Brixham on Tor Bay, November 5, he advanced slowly on London as support fell away from James II. James's daughter Anne and his best general, John Churchill, were among the deserters to William's camp. Thereupon, James fled to France. William III accepting the Declaration of Rights. William was now asked to carry on the government and summon a parliament. When this convention parliament met, January 22, 1689, it agreed, after some debate, to treat James's flight as an abdication and to offer the crown, with an accompanying Declaration of Rights, to William and Mary jointly. Both gift and conditions were accepted. Thereupon, the convention turned itself into a proper parliament and large parts of the declaration into a Bill of Rights. This bill gave the succession to Mary's sister, Anne, in default of issue from Mary, barred Roman Catholics from the throne, abolished the Crown's power to suspend laws, condemned the power of dispensing with laws, as it hath been exercised and used of late, and declared a standing army illegal in time of peace. John Locke. Result of this revolution. The settlement marked a considerable triumph for Whig views. If no Roman Catholic could be king, then no kingship could be unconditional. The adoption of the exclusionist solution lent support to John Locke's contention that government was in the nature of a social contract between the king and his people represented in Parliament. The revolution permanently established Parliament as the ruling power of England. So that's it for today. I hope you like this quick short video on Glorious Revolution. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Have a great day. See you in the next one.